Did you know that there is a simple but almost unknown way to make tomatoes bear more, faster, and longer? If your tomato plants look healthy, but there are not enough fruits, don't worry. In this video, I will show you what you need to do right next to the plant and start a real explosion of fruits. So stay until the end. Like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like such practical garden tips. Many people make the same mistake. They water, fertilize, but leave out one key step. And it is this step that is the difference between an average and an abundant harvest. Tomatoes require moisture, warmth, but also an additional source of energy, especially during the formation of fruits. That is why today I am sharing a trick that almost no one uses, and the results are visible in 10 days. So, all you need to do is simple. Dig a small hole next to each tomato plant. Not too deep, just a few centimeters. Then pour 1 tablespoon of plain raw rice into the hole. Backfill with soil and water as usual. The rice in the soil slowly decomposes, releasing beneficial substances, stimulating the activity of microorganisms, and giving the plant extra strength for flowering and fruiting. Natural, cheap, and incredibly effective. If you found this trick useful, share the video with your friends and family.